Sioux Steel Company started in 1918, and in that process the community needed gutters, downspouts, cupolas. So it's a long history of products that were made out of galvanized material over 108 years.
My dad retired in April, and I took over the Sioux Steel Company Foundation, which is a private foundation that was established back in 1959. And so trying to continue that philanthropy from a family perspective, I think was really important, and that's why I came in. So giving to the community is important for our foundation because I think it establishes how we interact and how we help those communities grow and the people within it. We've given to quite a few organizations in the past and will continue to do so. Some of those are here locally, some of them are in other communities where our families live.
Working with families is a great honor, and it's amazing. I mean, fantastic to have your son and your sister and everybody in the business and be able to all have the same mission and kind of the same mantra. It goes back to that servant leadership component when you're handing that off to the next generation so that they know that that's a part of their mantle of leadership going forward, that they're a steward of the resources going forward for the family. It's an important responsibility, but it's not necessarily the highest paying job. It's about leadership, for the family, creating new opportunities.
Our family legacy right now is 108 years, which is amazing. And we want to make sure that we're fostering that into the future. So it's super important that we all kind of grab hold of that and see what part we have to play in order to make that happen. The Steel District has been fantastic, but we still have more to do. We have some availability of land just to the south of the Steel District that we're looking to expand on in the future and provide even a larger vision for what that could be. I think it's going to be fantastic. I think the future is very bright for Sioux Steel. The innovation that the manufacturing company has been doing is really exciting in the field of agriculture. And then we have our new investment arm with the Steel District. And there's so many ways for us to go that I think we're going to be kind of unstoppable.
It's an exciting experience to be a part of PFBA because if you have a family business at all in the Midwest or even in some of the regional locations that they serve, it's about learning from the new members of the generations coming up because they've got experiences that they can go to and meet other generations that are moving up to try to combine the understanding of where they're going to be in their future to board training, to all of the education that goes on, helps how we're going to get to the next generation and how we do the handshake and how we go forward. So the ability for a business to be successful has to do with that educational component and then the connection with all of the people and business owners that are basically going to tell you a very similar story to what you've already heard. Your story is their same. So now you've got this network of people intertwined to be able to talk about those items and how to move forward and do the best you can and stand on the shoulders of the past generation to create the new.